Hello, my name is Will Diaz, and I will be walking you through how to configure the Intelligent Link module in Step 7. I am using an existing ET200SP drop. First, we're going to add a station extension. This will add 16 slots for the EandM modules. Select the appropriate EandM module based on your configuration. Double-click on the module and do it once again to add a total of 2 modules to match our configuration. Click on the first module you created and click on Properties and General. We will change the name of the module to something that makes sense for our application. Let's choose Conveyor 1, select the second module, and choose Conveyor 2. These will be used when the software does automatic tag generation for the BASIC. Now, let's set up the basic protection functions of the Intelligent Link module. First, set up the full load amps off the motor and whether it is 3 or single phase. The load protection is built into the EandM, and it supports class 10 or 20 as well as no protection if you choose to use an MSP with protection. Set up both modules. I'm only showing the first one. There are many other characteristics that can be set up, but I'm only showing the basics. The last step is to set up the automatic tag generation. Watch as I do this. Now we have all the read data from the EandM module over PROFINET, like current, error, etc. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again.